Hi, this is Priya. Welcome back once again. Part 7 of this video series, we will learn 50 more sentences. Let us move on to the very first sentence. Please look into the matter carefully. Please look into the matter carefully. His parents named him Hari. His parents named him Hari. He is a friend of mine. He is a friend of mine. Don't make him tell lies. Don't make him tell lies. Let me inform your dad on this. Let me inform your dad on this. Why to make him wait? Why to make him wait? She trusts him more than me. She trusts him more than me. She is a simpleton. She is a simpleton. Who will fall on this idiot? Who will fall on this idiot? Can you think of someone? Can you think of someone? How can I make you believe? How can I make you believe? I don't know what to study. I don't know what to study. Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous. He is having a sound sleep. He is having a sound sleep. Don't abuse anybody. Don't abuse anybody. Don't take me wrong. Don't take me wrong. Your rude behavior has hurt him. Your rude behavior has hurt him. I have some torn clothes. I have some torn clothes. I have a lot to talk about. I have a lot to talk about. What age are you? What is your age? How old are you? What age are you? What is your age? How old are you? You should have bought the car. It was on offer. You should have bought the car. It was on offer. What's going on? What's going on? Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. We couldn't afford to buy a new rug. We couldn't afford to buy a new rug. Whenever you have time, message me. Whenever you have time, message me. Everyone will mock me. Everyone will mock me. I'll call you when we go. I'll call you when we go. Save me or kill me, either one is fine. Save me or kill me, either one is fine. How much money do you have? How much money do you have? He is not up to this job. He is not up to this job. My clothes are soaked. My clothes are soaked. Don't you have anything to study? Don't you have anything to study? You resemble your brother so closely. You resemble your brother so closely. How long it will take to reach Delhi? How long it will take to reach Delhi? Milk turned sour. Milk turned sour. What brings you here? What brings you here? Milk sours quickly in warm weather. Milk sours quickly in warm weather. Hang up the wet clouds outside to dry. Hang up the wet clouds outside to dry. When did she fall ill? When did she fall ill? May I borrow some money from you? May I borrow some money from you? Nobody knows when he will arrive. Nobody knows when he will arrive. I arrived later than usual. I arrived later than usual. Don't buy the expensive apples. Get cheaper ones. Don't buy the expensive apples. Get cheaper ones. Do you have any soft drinks? Do you have any soft drinks? They considered him intelligent. They considered him intelligent. I have no idea how he escaped. I have no idea how he escaped. My sister is very fond of children. My sister is very fond of children. Turn left, you will find the cafe. Turn left, you will find the cafe. He is older than me. He is older than me. Time runs out very quickly. Time runs out very quickly. Translate the following sentences into English. Translate the following sentences into English. Try to translate the following sentences into English. Dhanyavadalu. Thanks. Till now we have covered 350 sentences out of 1000. In the next video we will cover 50 more sentences. Until then, keep watching my videos and I wish you all the best. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.